Whenever something breaks in production, the first thing a Linux system admin does is to check the logs. Not any dashboard, not any monitoring tables. For the first thing, he will check the logs because log tells the real story. In this video, you will learn where the Linux logs live. It is very important to know as a system admin. Next, we will see how Linux admin analyze logs using the real commands. Okay. Last, we will check how to debug errors, failures, and any suspicious activities in Linux using our logs. So stay tuned and let's get started. So friends, before checking the logs location, let's take a minute and let's check some common logs. First, we have the syslogs or the message logs. These are the system events that help us to analyze the system errors. Next, we have auth logs or the secure.logs. These are related to login and sudo activities. Okay, and it help us to find unauthorized IP or the failed logins. Next, we have kern.log. It generally logs our kernel issues. Apart from these logs, we have other log file as well, like Nginx log file, Apache log file, error log file, or any application logs. Okay. War log is the common log location for all these logs that we have discussed just now. So this is the common log location in our Linux systems. So currently we are at our Linux system. So let's check the log location. Okay. So as we discussed, the common logs are found in war logs. So okay. So we are at our war log location. So let's see our log files, which are of different log files found in the log logs. So we have discussed about the syslogs, auth log, kernel logs, right? Then we have the message log, dmesg as well. So boot up logs, journal logs, okay, nginx that we have discussed. So all these kind of logs are found under the location where log. So let's discuss about some common commands that a Linux system admin use in day-to-day life. The first one is tail. It displays the last lines of a file, and we commonly use it for the monitoring. Next, head. It displays the first line of a file. If you want to get some information from initial level of the file, then we use it. Next, we have more. This command we use if we want to search the uh, to see the large log file. However, it only move forward. Okay, so we cannot backward in this. Next, we have the less. It works in the same way. It view the file content page by page. Okay, however, it has the benefit of both. We can move forward and as well as see the backward as well. So it is the most useful command when we use in our day-to-day time. Last, we have the grep. We use this command to search some text and filter based on out on some patterns, okay, in a file. Like we need to check the failed logins, so we can search the failed logins in our auth.log file using the grep. That's how we use mostly these commands in our day-to-day life. However, I'm not going to tell the in details for these commands. I have already created a separate dedicated video for each command. Okay, so you can check out the I button here and you can check out these commands. So friends, let's check out our demo. Okay, so in this demo, I will only cover the general control command. Okay, I am not going to cover grep, tls, more head commands. Okay, as I have already told you that I have already created a dedicated videos on those, or those you can check out on my channel for those commands. So let's talk about the journal control. So journal control is a command to view, search, and analyze system logs, okay, that are collected by the system MD's journal. These include surveys, kernels, and boot logs as well. Okay, so let's check out. So if I want to check the logs for any service, like I need to check the logs for nginx service nginx service, so I can use like that. So it is providing me the logs for that. So to get the end of the file, you can go with shift G, just like the less command, and you are good. So quit this, you press the Q on your keyboard and you are able to quit that command. So let's suppose I need to check the running logs for this service. So I just add a parameter like f, and it provide me the running logs for any services. When you press Ctrl C, you are out of this. Let's suppose you want logs for the last hour. Okay, let's suppose I want to check if something happened in the last hour. I can check the services logs for the last hours. So let me back to the 1 hour ago, and it provide me the logs for the last 1 hour. So simply on that shift with G, you can get the end of this. And I think with the B command, just like the less, you can follow the page by page backward, and with this space you can follow the page by page forward. So that's how you can check the things on the journal. Okay, it provide us the all things that happen with the system MD does us. Okay, if any cron is running, any system MD in services running, any connection failures, or we can analyze most of the things. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you, the journal command. Okay, so I want to give you the tip like that. Most modern Linux system, mostly Linux systems are rely on the journal control instead of any detecting any files. Okay, we are not going to any service file, like, okay, if I need to check on the boot level if something is wrong or something is happening, I can just use the journal control command. Okay, and I get the data on that. So it's time to summarize our video. So in this video we get to know about war lag, war underscore log, a location where mostly logs are live. Next, we learn about the common commands that help us in log analyzing, just like tail, head, more, less, grep, and others also. Lastly, we have learned about journal control command with a demo. So at the end, I would like to say, if you are preparing for Linux interviews, I have created a PDF with real log analysis interview questions, and it's completely free and optional. So you can download it. I have provided the link in the description. And thanks for watching this. You can check out my other videos on this channel. I will see you in the next one. Till then, happy learning and happy coding.